Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand the screenshot module inside the activity section. For that, you have to log into your Workstatus application and you have to come up on the side navigation bar under the activity screenshots. Once you come here, you will be able to see that what was the user's data and the screenshot recorded for the specific time interval. This is the list of the information of the users which will be coming up as you click on the drop down. This is the date range where you can click on the drop down and you'll be able to select a date from which you want to see the data for. This section gives you the information on what was the effective time and how much is the productive percentage and the activity percentage. Effective time includes your idle percentage and it does not include the break or the wait time unless and until done from the settings. The productive percentage gives you the amount of the percentage of the data recorded as per your apps and URL marked as productive from the settings. The activity percentage is the strokes of your mouse and keyboard which are being recorded against a specific interval. Now you'll be able to see that against this specific interval, this was the amount of time that has been worked, and the productivity percentage which has come up as this, and the activity for this specific from 9 to 10 AM has come up this. So there's a segregation of each of the interval and the amount of time or the productivity or the activity they have spent on the specific time interval. You can filter out the data by clicking on the filters. You can have the data exported to your specific email address. So this was all about the activity screenshots. Thank you.